I was sitting with my cousins when someone asked a strange but fun question. If you were a wild animal, which one would you be? We all laughed. But something inside me lit up. What if I could find a way to match personalities with wild animals? Not just based on looks or favorites, but on real behavior, instincts, and energy. I accepted the challenge. Mission: discover which wild animal lives inside you and what it means. 1. The brave but calm one. First up was my friend, Ion. He's calm in a storm, speaks only when needed, but when he does, everyone listens. He protects his people but never brags. Guess who? The lion, confident, natural leader, roars only when necessary. If you're someone who leads with strength and grace, you might be a lion too. 2. The gentle giant. Then came Nina, soft-spoken. She remembers every little thing, never forgets a birthday, and always helps others. Guess who? The elephant, emotional memory, loyalty, quiet power. If you carry others' burdens and never show off, you're probably an elephant at heart. 3. The watchful one. Then, Farhan, my quiet cousin. Always in the corner, thinking, analyzing. He rarely speaks, but when he does, he says something deep. Guess what? The eagle, sharp vision, big thinker, sees things from above while others are stuck on the ground. If you're a visionary who sees the bigger picture, welcome to the eagle's nest. 4. The fierce fighter. Then came Tanya. Bold, unafraid, speaks her truth. If something's wrong, she'll fight for what's right. Guess who? The tiger. Focused, fearless, walks alone but never backs down. If you're someone who stands tall, even alone, the tiger lives in you. 5. The silent protector Zubair was next. Not loud, not flashy, but if you're in trouble, he'll show up no questions asked. Guess who? The wolf. Loyal to the pack. Doesn't seek attention, but always watching. Always ready. If you're strong in silence and never leave your people behind, you're the wolf. 6. The strong and stubborn one. Next, Faisal. Short temper, quick decisions, but full of courage. Sometimes rushes in without thinking, but always means well. Guess? The rhino. Bold, strong, keeps going no matter what stands in the way. If you're a go-getter who doesn't like waiting around, you're the rhino charging ahead. 7. The soft but strong one. Then came Zara. She looks soft, but inside there's a fire. She's quiet, but don't mistake it for weakness. Guess? The bear. Loves peace, but if challenged, fights fiercely. Protective, strong, balanced. If you're gentle but powerful, you're the bear in disguise. Now it's your turn. I've met eagles and lions, wolves and rhinos. But the wild isn't just outside, it's inside you. So, are you brave like a lion, loyal like a wolf, sharp like an eagle, or something entirely different?